Hi there, if you're facing hang problem or hang issue on your Samsung Galaxy A series devices like A55 or A54 or A53 and A30, A50, A31, this type of device you are using and you're facing hang and lag issues, then this video is for you. You can probably fix this by clear up your files, clear up your storage, your internal storage. If your internal storage is running out of space, it will hang much more than before. So the main causes for the lag issues is the insufficient storage in your internal storage. If you doesn't left any space, any battery space on your internal storage, so it can store or run the application properly on your device. So make sure that you just clean up this file, this internal storage. To clean up your internal storage, you can just tap on this three dot button, and from here first you can go to the analyze storage, and from here you can find the images space, videos space, audio space, documents for installation files, compressed files, applications and system. So you can actually delete the system files from here, but you can just clean the image if you want. So you can also clean the videos if you want. So you can just choose one by one video that you don't need that video. You can just delete one by one and you can free up your space. Now from documents you can delete useless documents that you don't need, so or you can just simply transfer all the medias like image, videos, audios, documents to other devices like your PC or any other mobile devices. Or if you have SD card, then you can also replace you can just transfer your all the data and all the media through your SD card. So actually Samsung Galaxy A series devices does support SD card, so you can use SD card and you can transfer all the data to the SD card to free up your internal storage. Now again, from analyze storage you can find the recycle bin where you'll find gallery. So you can just tap on gallery and you can just delete the deleted photos that are already captured a huge amount of space on your gallery. You can just go to there and select all the photos that you have recently deleted and that are stored in recycle bin. You can select all of them and delete at once. That's how you can just delete it. And from largest file you'll find some largest file that you have just added on your device, or just you download it. That could be a movie or any folder or any file. So that's how you can just clean up your storage from here, and this is actually the way to another. Now another way is that you might need to be confirm that you are on the most updated version of your software on your device you have installed. Now from here in software update you will find download and install, and from here make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi network or data. So you can check for the updates, and if there is any object available you can download and install it, and make sure that your software is up to date so it can run properly. Now there's another way that you can fix the lag. Some applications are some third-party application that you have downloaded from Google Chrome or other unauthorized websites or any other unauthorized sources that could be causes for malwares and viruses that can harm your device's hardware, and it could be for that you could face lagging issues. So from here make sure that you just check one by one application and you just check for the malware to go with a cleaning process from your settings, and from here you can search for clean, and from here you can find some cleaning software cleaning feature that can help you to optimize your phone. You can also find it in widgets. If you go to widgets, then from here you can find some widgets like this one, device care. In device care section you can just add this through this. If you want to add it, then you can add this on. Now from here you can just tap on this brush brush icon to clean some junk file, and from here you find the storage and memory, so you can access them from here, and you can simply tap on it and you can click them or check them from here. You can go with this device care feature, and it will help you to detect any type of issue that you have on your device. Now another simple thing to make sure that there is if you have too many apps running in background of your device, so make sure that you just clean all the apps, all the unnecessary apps from the background of your device time to time, so you won't face any type of lag issue. Just because of there might be they always capture amount of RAM, so if you captured all the RAM, most of space of RAM, then your device could face lagging issues. So that's how you can just follow all the steps and treatments to solve this lagging or hang issue on your Samsung Galaxy A series devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.